Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's check the market and then we'll dive into what happened in the market today. What are the news that affected market today? And then last we will review the portfolio and we're going to talk about one particular stock. సో ఈరోజు మార్కెట్ చూసినట్టయితే ఇట్స్ పర్ఫార్మ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఐ వుడ్ సే అండ్ ఇట్స్ మోర్ దెన్ అ మిక్స్ సిగ్నల్ అండ్ definitely and lot of stocks that got affected today because of the credit card cap, and also a lot of stock got affected because of the housing market. And but other than that, Walmart got all-time high right now, and it is about to close to $1 trillion market cap, so which is good news for Walmart shareholders. And if you see, Tesla is still losing its momentum. So and Kava is gaining its momentum today, and Caterpillar got some momentum today, and it was up to 5%. And AMD also got some momentum today after that CES release. And yeah, this is what happened in the market today. And if you observe what happened in the market, what are the news that affected the market today? So here, the average gas prices in USA is less than 2.79 cents, so which is good for the consumers, but it is bad for the oil company stock, which is Exxon and Chevron gases, all these companies, because they couldn't make any profit on this. There is a lot of supplies available, and right now US is trying to gain some momentum on Iran. So if that's happen, US will have access to when Iran oil, US will have access to Venezuela oil, US will also already have an access to US oil. And these are the three countries which got almost 40% of the world reserves. And if US got access for this 40% of the reserves, the oil will be very cheap. If the oil will be very cheap, that means a lot of companies are going to get benefit other than oil stocks. So what are those companies can get benefit? Example, Caterpillar. If Caterpillar is doing a lot of landscaping to build data centers, and if Google is trying to build a lot of data centers in order to bring all equipment to the place, it costs very less money, and all the logistic companies will get benefit for this. And for the Caterpillar companies like Caterpillar, all these companies will get benefit if the gas price is very low. And the next news is MicroStrategy bought today almost 13,000 bitcoins worth almost 1.25 billion. MicroStrategy is very bullish on Bitcoin, so I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin will reach $1 million a coin by 2045. That is what my expectation. So let's see if the Bitcoin will reach $1 million a coin in 2045. So if that's going to happen, MicroStrategy will be, one of the valuable company will be out there. And I invested in MicroStrategy because of this belief. I didn't invest directly into Bitcoin, but I invest into MicroStrategy because MicroStrategy already hold Bitcoins close to almost 600k, so which is really good for them. And next thing is silver is it hit all-time high, and it's the second most valuable assets right now with almost close to $5 trillion, and Nvidia is around $4.5 trillion. Google already beat Apple, and now it's around $4 trillion market cap. Apple is around $3.8 trillion market cap. So silver became second most valuable assets right now. And do you think silver is in a bubble? I don't know if silver is in bubble or not. I couldn't able to judge it because the world is in a very bad phase right now. Yeah, there is a lot of wars are happening, and I mean it's come to silver usage. It is really high right now. The consumption is more than production, and that affects the price is high. At the same time, the world is in a bad phase. That is affecting silver to uh, go to all time high. So these are the two news that affecting to silver to go all time high. So that is a good news for people who already hold silver and gold. And according to Bank of America, silver could hit easily to $300. That's what they're saying, but I don't believe it will hit $300. But let's see what's going to happen. My prediction for silver will be it will hit $100 by end of this year. That's what my prediction. So there is a potential upside value of 13 to 15%. So it could be more, it could be less, but that's what my expectation for silver is. And next thing, gold can reach up to $5,000 ounce. So it will be by end of this year. That can happen sure because of the geopolitics and everything. So next thing is Iran. Iran currency lost its totally value. It's totally collapsed. Now it's currently you even if you give one Iran to USD or euro, you will get zero money. So nobody will take Iran currency. anymore. So it's totally collapsed. That's what happened for Iran currency. Next thing is the last one is like Trump is trying to target, Jerome Powell, and he's a Fed Reserve chairman, and he's trying to. Everybody knows he's trying to target because he's not reducing the fair rates. But I don't think he did it. I don't believe he done anything bad. But in reality, he's doing a great job. But if he lowered the rate, that would really bring a lot of money into economy. That is what we are expecting. And if he does that, so I can get benefit, you can get benefit, everybody can get benefit. But yeah, but he will only do based on data. So right now the data is really not great, not bad. So it's in the middle of the stage. So due to that, he's not reducing any money, any cuts. So let's see whether he's going to do any rate cuts in January or not. We are expecting one rate cut in January, but if that happens, borrowing will be cheap. But the lot of real estate stocks, the REIT stocks, that will go up. I currently hold two stocks. One is NLY, the other one is O Realty, which is really good thing, and for me. So that's what happened today in the market, guys. And next thing is the one stock that I want to talk about is Kava. The last, if you watch my last couple of videos, almost like 4 to 5 videos. So I've been telling Kava, I'm very bullish on Kava. I bought Kava around 50, 51 to 55 right here at this candlestick. Now it's around $70. So I made almost like 34 to 36% return within 1 month. So I'm still bullish on this. This stock will reach around to 80 to 80, 80 to 90, and then it will start going deep. So that's what I believe. But I'm still bullish on this. So let's see how this stock is going to perform in 2026. Does it beat my expectations, or does it am I incorrect about Kava stock? Let's wait and watch. But yeah, currently made a lot of profits in Kava. So I'm still bullish on this stock. So next thing is, here's my portfolio. So today my portfolio made around 0.34% return, which is $200. So if you observe, I already made Kava 36% return. And if you see Kava last 3 months gains, last 1 month gain, not even 3 months gain. The 1 month gain, Kava only returned 34.76, but I made 36.72 returns for the whole period. So the average stock I bought is around 51, but I bought around 45 too. But the average price, I was keep buying it. So now the dollar cost average became to 51.71. So I made 36% return over the stock. And yeah, I'm still bullish on the stock. I'm gonna keep holding it. Do I buy more? Yes, I will buy more. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. But I feel like right now there are other opportunities I have better than Kava. So that is the reason I'm not buying Kava at the moment. But I will definitely buy if I have more money into my pockets. So right now I believe I can buy SoFi. SoFi already got me 100% return. Still, I want to buy SoFi because SoFi had a. If you see in the long run for next 5 to 10 years, SoFi will definitely get up to $100 per share. So that's what my target for this stock for next 5 years. So if this stock is reaching $100 per share. So right now it's trading around 27. If it's reaching around $100, that would be really awesome because the market they're trying to catch is Gen Z market. At the same time, they're offering very loans for Gen Zs. A lot of people are trying to take loans from SoFi and try to pay off the credit cards. In reality, the people who took the loans from SoFi, they're gonna keep paying these loans. At the same time, the people who repaid the credit cards and again they started using the credit cards, which is requires more borrowing, taking more loans. So that will benefit SoFi. At the same time, it is offering competitive interests on savings account, which is almost close to 4%. A lot of Gen Z people who don't understand investing, they usually take SoFi account and try to put their money into SoFi accounts. But millennials, they don't invest into SoFi. They don't put their money into SoFi accounts. But Gen Z and Gen X people are by adding more SoFi accounts because they don't have any minimum balance fees and everything like that. So which is benefit for Gen Zs because they don't want to pay any monthly fee in order to own a bank account, right? So that is the reason I'm very bullish on SoFi. And the third stock I want to talk about is MicroStrategy. I'm very bullish on MicroStrategy, and today they made some movements. It made stock go up to 3.11%, and which is really good. So and I only had 3.36%, which is only $2,000 worth. I was thinking to make it to 5%. But yeah, but right now, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna hold cash instead of buying everything right now. So because there is too much uncertainty in the market, and the lot of wars are happening in the market, which is really not good, and that is the reason I was holding my cash. So I want to build my cash portfolio to at least like 5 to 10%. I want to bring my cash reserve to 10%, so that I can able to buy more stocks when there's a right opportunity. Right now there's an opportunities, there are a lot of opportunities, but I want to build my cash portfolio. So that is the reason I'm not buying anything right now. So overallly, so today it was a great day, and just today's return, I'm a lot of stocks are gained, a lot of stocks are lost some money, but overally we got gains of 0.34%. So that's all I have for today, guys. And if you want me to review any particular stock, please feel free to add the stock ticker code in the comment. The people who are watching my videos, I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me. And I'm gonna make this content, for you guys. So even one guy is watching this video, I really appreciate him, and I'm gonna make the videos for you guys. And thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye bye.